guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this really bright colorful look. And also before we move on this look, I'm just going to focus more on the eye. So I'm not going to be talking or anything. I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that I'm going to be doing and using for my eye look. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. Alright, this is the final result. We are all done. I know I didn't like show you guys like the face and all that stuff. I'm just trying to focus more like on the eye look, you know, so you guys can see like every detail that I'm doing on my eyes. So hopefully it helps you guys. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe if you're still not subscribed to my channel, and then hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.